Bluey dashed through the endless desert fast. Bingo tumbled beside her laughing loud. Suddenly the sand shifted violently. Muffin shouted, "Watch out! Could the dunes swallow them?" Bandit grabbed Chili's hand tight. Rusty pointed at a massive glowing pyramid ahead. Indy gasped, its pulsing with golden light. Could something ancient be waiting? From the sands emerged a colossal sandstone scorpion, huge. Its tail glowed fiery red sharp. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is dangerous. Could they survive?" The scorpion stomped forward, shaking the dunes hard. Bingo clutched her balloon high. Muffin hid behind Chili, worried. Could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy branch, ready. Rusty grabbed a glowing rock for backup. Indy shouted, "Stay together." Could teamwork defeat it? Bluey noticed glowing cracks along the scorpion's back, bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling stone fast. Could it weaken the beast? The scorpion lashed its tail, sparks and sand flying everywhere. The desert trembled loud. Socks barked, dodging falling sand. Could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a rock, shouting, "Move forward." Rusty swung his rock, blocking attacks. The scorpion paused, confused. Could cleverness calm it? Suddenly the scorpion froze completely still. Its eyes softened amber warm. Chili whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing stone. Could teamwork finish it? The cracks pulsed brighter, then faded. The scorpion bowed its head, majestic. Smoke and sand cleared, revealing a glowing crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the pyramid, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright. Could the next journey be wilder? The friends stepped through together, brave. The desert twisted into a sparkling oasis, realm magical. Bingo laughed, amazed. Muffin twirled around, happy. Could endless adventures await? Above them, golden birds circled wildly. Sparks of magic scattered across the oasis. Rusty shouted, "Keep watching." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the desert guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining. The light spread across the sky, bright. Chili smiled, proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive. Glittering worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you step in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, hit subscribe, and journey into the next desert adventure with Bluey and friends.